The project is called In a New Light, and Theatr Brycheiniog wants to do a lot more for young people and children and families, and the feedback from the young people was that they wanted to do more digital art and to learn about music technology and to learn about animation and things, which were art forms that weren't part of our usual programme of what we did. On the 28th of March, we had a big light show on the Canal just outside Theatr Brycheiniog in Brecon, and we had world-class digital animations and projections on a 10-metre wall of water in the Canal basin, and we had over 600 people from the Brecon area come and see that.
What do you think? They're really colourful and bright, and some of the 3D as well, really good, yeah.
I think it's really cool, and I didn't think it would be this amazing when I first came here, and I hope that they're going to do more stuff like this.
There is a traditional approach to art in Brecon, so it's really nice to see the theatre embracing this digital new media. I think it's really, really exciting.
We did workshops throughout Wales, in the north as well as in the south and mid, with young people who created the most beautiful things.
We learned how to use music and then edit it to the way you want it.
I'm really excited and happy, because we're doing something. Yeah.
I've never been to one of these before, and I thought it was really good to learn something new.
I feel this workshop has really helped me with my creative side. The fact that I make the story and then bring it to life is really interesting. Y peth mae'n diddorol am y prosiect yw'r ffaith bod ni'n cael themau gwahanol pob wythnos. Felly mewn un wythnos ni'n gallu cael y themau fel Cymreigdod neu Cymro a phethau fel hynna. A mae'n neis iawn i weld sut mae pobl yn cymryd hynna. Felly weithiau bydd ni'n cael y draig coch neu cymeriadau fel Sali Mali. Felly mae'n really ddiddorol i weld sut mae pobl yn cymryd y themau.
And we've now got the grand finale event of another projection on the Canal outside the theatre here in Brecon, but with the animations that the young people have created as well as the professional ones.
The high point for me was walking along the front of the theatre just a few moments ago to see and hear some of the work that's been produced. I mean, it's not really until you see it alive that it becomes real.
We're one of the partners with Theatr Brycheiniog here in the digital animation programme, and we're responsible for the Canal and the Canal basin here in Brecon, so it's been fantastic to work in partnership with them. We'd like to do more in the future and to have this space used in a similar way for more artistic events.